Home Show.
Greg from Canada is a little ticked off.
Eh? Yeah, he's. I'm sorry, I can resist. Sorry, Greg. There's a dripping sound coming in his rental unit. He sent us a video. Okay, but be very quiet. You have to listen to hear the dripping. You hear it? It's almost like a tick-tock.
It's not rhythmical. It's right. But it's intermittent, and right. It is definitely. I watched the video before, but I didn't listen to it, and with my earbuds on, I really heard it. Okay, it gives me a better idea. I think I have an idea what it is.
Let me tell you what he wrote first before you launch
please.
Into that. Right, because you can't prognosis without examination is malpractice, and Tom would never do such a thing. Greg writes, I must get to the bottom of a drip sound in the walls. I can't believe this is the thermal expansion sounds commonly referred to in your videos. I get different sounds when a toilet in the fourplex flushes. The difference is very noticeable. I see no leak, nor do neighbors. The owner doesn't want to investigate, so I'm left to MacGyver it. I love that. MacGyver it myself. Please help. I am going bonkers, which is strong talk for a Canadian, Tom.
Well, I can tell you this. It's not the supply line. When I heard it, it's in that P-trap. I just really am convinced it's in the P-trap. I'm not sure why. A way to troubleshoot this would be to put a bucket underneath that P-trap, which is that white pipe. If you notice, it's a PVC P-trap, and remove it. And just stand back and see on one side or the other if there's just a little intermediate drip that's going down into that bucket. And then you can figure out more about it after that. But I think it's in the drain line. I don't think it's in the supply line at all. I can definitely say this. It's not expansion and contraction of the pipes. That is not the sound that makes. And that's a very common thing, and it's also a very distinct rhythmical sound when pipes expand and contract. It's totally different. So it's in that drain line, it's in that P-trap. I'd remove the P-trap. I don't know what it is yet, but that's the first thing I would do if it really bothered me. Quite frankly, to end this question, I'd walk away and let it go. It's not hurting anybody. It's a rental place, and what do you really care?
Well, he's concerned about bonkers. Bonkers is on his mind.
Drives him. Then we give earplugs to our students in the welding shop. They make them where you. I just wouldn't worry about it.
Get yourself a set of these, and just make sure you don't turn it on so that they're picking up what's around you. That's the key, Greg. Trying to help you out here. All right, we want to help you out too. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that blue Ask Tom button right there. It'll take you to this page here. That's where you can enter your questions. You can send us a video. You can send pictures. It'll help us answer your question because we post a new one of these. Tom answers one of these every day, and we post them at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, of course, on our Facebook page.